So now let's break this down. So for the first one, we have x, open bracket, x plus 5. So x times x will give you x, write it down. That's x squared, sorry, write it down. Then you have your plus. So x times 5 is going to give you 5x, write it down. Now let's go to the second one. We have plus 2 outside, then we have our bracket. Now, plus 2 times x is going to give you 2x. You write your plus 2x. Then plus 2 times 5 is going to give you 10. So 2 times 5 is going to give you 10. Write your plus 10. It's equal to 0. So what we have now gotten as our mathematical statement right now is x squared plus 5x plus 2x plus 10 is equal to 0. Okay, so add your 5x and 2x at the middle of that equation. You are now going to get x squared plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Wonderful! That was our original equation. So we have used the roots to form our equation, which is very, very, very easy to do. Okay, so now that we have used that first equation to solve it, let me show you how you can use the second equation to also achieve the same result. Now, the second method I told you was what? X squared minus open bracket, the sum of roots, close bracket, put your x, then plus the product of roots is equal to what? Is equal to 0. So we have x squared minus open bracket. Now the sum of roots, now remember the sum of roots, we are having 2 roots, minus 5 and minus 2. So the sum of roots, now we are adding. So you say minus 2 plus minus 5. Minus 2 plus minus 5 means minus 2 minus 5. Minus 2 minus 5 is what? Minus 7. So you're going to write minus 7 inside. All right, close bracket, you have your x. Then you have plus, then you open bracket. You have your product of roots. Remember, you have minus 2 times minus 5. Minus 2 times minus 5. Minus minus in mathematics is going to give you what? Plus. So minus 2 times minus 5 will give you what? Plus 10. So 10 is going to appear in that bracket. Then close bracket is equal to 0. So right now, we're having something that looks like this. X squared minus open bracket minus 7, close bracket, then you have your x, then you have your plus, then you have your bracket, you have your 10, then you close your bracket, you have equal to 0. Very simple. Okay, at this point, now let's open our brackets. Now, if you open your brackets, you're now going to be having something like this. X squared minus, now that minus 7 will now, because of that bracket and the minus outside, will now change to plus. So you're now having x squared plus 7. Why? That bracket is multiplication. So that minus minus has now changed to what? To plus. So you have x squared plus 7x. Then you have plus 10 is equal to 0. Wow, you've been able to achieve the same result. So you can use any of these two methods, to get your quadratic equation whenever you are given the roots of the quadratic equation.